How's it going, everyone? It's David Mueller from MonetaryOcean.com, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you how to effectively put your eBay store on vacation mode and get a boost in your sales traffic while doing so. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to eBay listings in your seller hub, and we're going to edit all the available listings that you have active at the time. So what we're doing here is we're going to change the handling time that the seller or you have to, the amount of time you have to process the order and actually ship it to the customer. So if you go through the actual vacation mode setting change, this will, I believe, not allow you to receive orders. If you do it this method, you will still receive orders and you'll actually get a boost in your in the algorithm. It will bump your listing up higher in the search results. eBay seems to like it whenever you make changes to listings. So when you make this mass change to all your listings in bulk, you're going to get a little boost in the listings as well. So we're going to go ahead and change to, and then you're going to select the handling time that fits your interests, however long. Maybe you're going out of town for a couple days, 3-4 days. Maybe you'll do 5. If you're going out of town for a long time, I would say set it for a longer one. And as your vacation starts to wind down, you're going to want to change it to one of these shorter date ones. And the reason for that is as your vacation winds down, you're probably going to want to have some orders coming in. People see 10, 15, 20 business day handling. They might be deterred a little bit more to actually purchase from you. So you want to go ahead and change that. But we're going to go ahead and change it. I'm not making any changes at this time. You'll do a save and close and submit all changes. And just like that, you have gone on vacation mode and gotten a bump in your listing and hopefully got a bump in traffic for your listing. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, drop a like, drop a comment for any questions or future videos you guys want to see. And until next time, this is David Miller with Monetary Ocean. Don't wait, dive in.